I'm Kelvin Ross, editor of Power Engineering International, and I'm here at the OSIsoft EMEA Users Conference in London. And I'm joined this morning by Ty Burridge-Oakland from Uniper Technologies. Ty, welcome.
Hi, Kelvin.
Tell us first of all a bit about Uniper Technologies and what you do.
So we're part of Uniper. We're actually the engineering arm of Uniper. So we've got teams that cover electrical, so generators, steam turbines, gas turbines, performance teams, boilers. There's guys who do chemistry, fuel testing. My particular team is a member of what we call Production Solutions, which is condition monitoring and some other areas that are really heavily related to data and what we can do with data and extract data to add value back to the company.
And so how are you using data? How in recent years have you utilised the developments and visualisation of data to thread them into that engineering process?
Well, so in reality, we've been dealing with data since before there was any internet and networks. We had guys who were going out taking measurements with tapes, bringing them back to the office and reviewing them. And over time, that's quite an inefficient process. So we actually spec'd with other companies the original vibration systems that are like the cornerstone of condition monitoring, really. In 2007, I was an undergraduate. I worked for the condition monitoring team, and as an undergraduate, one of my first roles was talking to Pi. So working out how to pull data out of Pi and put it into our vibration systems. So our vibration system is called Tiresias, and it allows us to very, very quickly and in a hell of a lot of detail look at all the vibration signals from the entire Eon, as it was then, fleet, and a number of externals in a very short space of time. So we were already doing what everyone's now calling predictive analytics and data science all those years ago, 2007, and way before I even got there. It was Enfield Power Station, just on the outskirts of London. They run an Ouster GT26 with a clutch, and they actually had quite a few issues through the period that we were doing the monitoring. So it was really good because we saved them downtime, we saved them repair costs. We were able to get them to mobilise maintenance teams quickly. And we even highlighted an ongoing performance issue that they'd been having for a couple of years, and they'd been they're doing all sorts of root cause analysis. Within a few days of us just putting the data through the system, we were able to say, actually, it's this and this. These instruments have failed, but no one's noticed, and they're affecting your performance calculations. There's nothing wrong with the turbine, it's actually just these instruments, and the system that you've got switched over onto these other instruments that are calibrated differently. So all of a sudden this percent to a couple of percent of performance that everyone was worried about, gone, just like that. So fast forward again, Robin Rigg Wind Farm, we did an implementation there. So they run Vestas wind turbines, and we ran that for, I think, probably about 6 months. We started seeing wind turbines are amazing for this sort of thing. They're so easy to model because they're so repeatable. So automated, nothing like a coal-fired power station. That's a slightly different beast. But wind turbines, very easy. And then all of a sudden we started seeing these excursions on bearing temperatures happening 1, 2, 3 turbines. But they weren't excessive. They would never have been picked up on a normal kind of limit-based system. But Spherical could see them. And it actually turned out that there was a design fault, and we caught it just before the end of the warranty period, which meant that for Robin Rigg, that was worth in the millions of pounds in terms of what they could claim back. So in reality, we built this system. It was for vibration. Turned out we could use it for everything. We used it on fossil. We've used it on, so that's gas, coal, biomass, wind, solar, hydro. We've applied it to literally everything.
Yeah. It's an amazing story because you've utilised all that data with the expertise that you've built up over these years, and it's effectively made you a software developer, and that you've come up with this bespoke system that suddenly is attractive to third parties. So it's a great story. Ty, thank you very much for your time. It's been great.
Thanks, man.
Thank you very much. That's all from day 2 here at the OSI Soft Users Conference.